Hi, Dr. Rick here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Quick question. Are you getting the number of clients and customers to grow your business? If not, you're in the right place. Each week, I post short videos and occasionally longer trainings to show you how to use simple marketing techniques based on my 40 years of experience to grow your holistic business and practice. These are old school methods brought into the 21st century that are proven to work. Let's get to know each other better. Subscribe and click the bell next to the button to get the newest content. Get my free training and be sure to like, comment, and introduce yourself below. And thanks for subscribing to my channel. Customers to grow your business. If not, you're in the know each other better. Subscribe and click the bell next to the button. Number 3,446. Experience in 10 to